Ever open your freezer for ice and find nothing? That frustration ends today? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm revealing the top 7 fridges with the best ice maker, fast, reliable, and built for real life. Watch closely, and grab your favorite easily through the links in the description. At number 7 is ZLINE Fingerprint-Resistant. What if your refrigerator made ice flawlessly and elevated your entire kitchen? That's the promise behind the ZLINE Fingerprint-Resistant stainless steel fridge, and it feels refreshingly premium. Many buyers fear luxury fridges sacrifice performance. This one proves otherwise. Design comes first. The counter depth build sits flush, the champagne bronze handles feel intentional, and fingerprints stay invisible. But beauty alone isn't enough, so let's talk performance. Ice production is steady, clean, and reliable, holding its own among fridges known for dependable ice systems. Curious how it handles real life? Inside, space is smartly divided. Dual freezer drawers, fast chill modes, and precise temperature control bring relief and control, tested for everyday kitchen flow. Compared to bulkier competitors, ZLINE feels more refined and organized. The trade-off? Fewer smart tech extras than mainstream brands. My honest take, ideal for style-focused homes that still demand dependable ice and cooling. A confident, long-term upgrade for kitchens that value elegance and reliability. On number 6 is NUNET 3-in-1 Water Dispenser. What if one appliance replaced your fridge dispenser, ice bin, and water boiler? That's the bold idea behind the NUNET 3-in-1 Ice Maker Water Dispenser, and it's surprisingly practical. Many buyers hesitate before choosing fridges with built-in ice systems, worried about slow output or limited flexibility. This unit tackles that problem head-on. Ice production is fast and generous, rivaling full-size refrigerator ice makers. Hot, cold, and room temperature water on demand adds instant relief to busy kitchens. Compared to traditional fridge setups, this feels more versatile and controlled. Curious how that changes daily routines? Operation is simple, noise stays low, and energy use is reasonable, tested for real-world comfort. The trade-off? It takes counter space and isn't fully built in like premium fridges. My honest take, ideal for offices, home bars, or renters who want fridge-level ice performance without replacing an appliance. A smart, flexible upgrade if convenience matters most. At number 5 is HOMEZAY Portable for Home. What if you could get fridge-quality ice without replacing your refrigerator? That's the quiet strength of the HOMEZAY Portable Ice Maker. Many people rely on fridge ice makers that are slow, noisy, or constantly jammed. This compact unit solves that frustration fast. Ice appears in minutes, smooth and consistent, giving the same daily reliability people expect from refrigerators known for strong ice performance. 2 ice sizes add flexibility, coffee in the morning, cocktails at night. Curious how it fits real life? The portable handle is a standout. Move it from kitchen to patio with ease. Self-cleaning brings peace of mind, and operation stays refreshingly simple, tested for everyday comfort. Compared to built-in fridge systems, it's quicker to clean and easier to manage. The downside? Smaller storage than full refrigerators. My honest take, perfect for apartments, RVs, or backup ice when your fridge can't keep up. A smart, stress-free solution for modern homes. At number 4 is Ecozy Soft Pellet Chewable Ice. What if your fridge made ice you actually enjoy chewing? That's the moment Ecozy's soft pellet ice changes expectations. Many refrigerators promise great ice but deliver hard cubes or inconsistent flow. This unit solves that gap with satisfying, chewable pellets that feel cafe level. Let's talk experience first. The ice texture is soft, slow melting, and addictive, closer to premium fridge dispensers than basic machines. Curious why people switch after one try? Control is where Ecozy stands out. App and voice commands, clear visuals, and smart insulation bring confidence and calm, tested for real-world comfort. Compared to traditional fridge ice systems, it's faster, more flexible, and easier to clean. The trade-off? It's a countertop companion, not fully built in. My honest take, Perfect for ice lovers, families, and hosts who care about texture and control. Skip it if cubes are enough. Choose it if ice quality truly matters. On number 3 is Silonn Portable Ice Machine. What if your fridge ice maker stopped keeping up, right before guests arrived? That's where the Silonn Portable Ice Machine quietly saves the day. Many homeowners rely on refrigerator ice systems that feel slow or unreliable. This compact unit steps in with speed and confidence. Ice forms in minutes, smooth and consistent, matching the daily output people expect from fridges known for strong ice performance. Curious how such a small machine delivers so fast? Portability is the standout. The carry handle makes it effortless to move from kitchen to patio, tested for real-world comfort. Controls stay simple, cleaning is automatic, and stress disappears. Compared to built-in fridge ice makers, Silonn is easier to maintain but holds less at once. My honest take: perfect as a backup for fridge ice, apartments, offices, or parties. Not built for massive crowds, but a smart, reliable choice for everyday convenience and peace of mind. At number 2 is Frigidaire Stainless Steel. What if your refrigerator's ice maker could never fall behind again? That's the confidence the Frigidaire stainless ice making machine brings. Many people love fridges with strong ice systems, but still run out during parties or busy days. This unit fixes that instantly. Ice production is fast and steady, delivering clean bullet ice that feels familiar to anyone used to quality refrigerator dispensers. Curious how it compares to built-in systems? The stainless design looks premium on any counter, while the large water tank means fewer refills, real relief during gatherings. Controls are clear, visibility is excellent, and daily use feels effortless, tested for real-world comfort. Compared to other portable options, Frigidaire focuses on reliability over flashy extras. The downside? It doesn't offer nugget ice or smart controls. My honest take: ideal as a powerful backup to fridge ice makers, or for offices and hosts who need consistency. If dependable ice matters more than novelty, this is a smart, stress-free buy. Now moving to the last one is EUHOMY Auto-Cleaning. Did you know most fridge ice makers fail right when guests arrive? That's where the EUHOMY Auto-Cleaning portable ice maker quietly steals the show. If you love the reliability of premium refrigerator ice systems but hate slow output, this solves that stress fast. First impression? Speed and silence. Ice appears in minutes, with smooth cubes that feel just as clean and drink-friendly as what you expect from high-end fridges. Curious how it keeps up all day? Portability is a win. Lightweight, compact, and easy to move, perfect when built-in systems can't keep pace. The auto-cleaning feature adds real peace of mind, something many competitors skip. We only recommend gear that holds up in daily life, and this feels tested for real-world comfort. Downsides? Storage is smaller than full refrigerator systems, and there's no app control. Final verdict: ideal for families, renters, RV users, or party hosts who want dependable ice without upgrading their fridge. If convenience matters more than built-in capacity, this is a smart buy. The winner: EUHOMY Auto-Cleaning Portable Ice Maker. If you want fridge-level ice reliability without the fridge limits, this is the smartest choice. It's faster, quieter, and easier to maintain than the others, with self-cleaning that delivers real peace of mind. Ice quality stays consistent, output keeps up during parties, and portability beats bulky alternatives. While it doesn't replace a built-in system, it solves the biggest problem, running out of ice, better than the rest. Tested for everyday comfort, this is the one that feels like a confident, no-regret buy. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 fridge with the best ice maker 2026. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.